Hello everyone, welcome to Gaurev's YouTube channel. How are you doing? Whosoever has not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Watch the videos regularly and keep liking the content. Thanks a lot for so many subscribers and thank you for watching us. Thanks a lot.
Good morning. Upet and bharwa aloo. This is just doodh dal with rice and potato sabji. Cheers, guys. Hello, guys. What's happening? So heading out to some shopping, a little bit here and there. So wanted to go check out for some few things. So hopefully, if they're aligned, can all be sorted, but I have to come back within 4 o'clock because there is some sort of work left at home. So it's a quick in, quick out. Should be out by 3. What is the time? It's already around 3:06. Time is showing 2:05 here. I need to change this. I'll just change this. So have to get back at 4. So till then, go check for few things and come back. So Mr. Clock, you need to change. So how will I change you? Come here, settings. Come here. I'll do it. Let me get back to you. Hello guys, was charging my other phone and that is done finally. So just removing this power bank and gonna charge this power bank now because I already have a C-type charger for which I'll be using this right away to charge it because I need the power bank be charged. So I'll just do it right away. Yes, charging. I am sorted here and Unnati is coming. I'm just waiting for her to come. Mom has gone somewhere. I have this water bottle. Lot of things to do. Sunday being a Sunday, actually Aram se I'm supposed to rest, but things have come up. I've got this pouch which can hold amazing things. So got my glasses on. And I need to keep this purse of mine properly. Wallet purse is a very weird term to use. So I will not use that for a guy. So I'm talking about a wallet. Sorry. So we have some change. Let me put it in. So the plan is just go out, come back and chill. That's it, guys. Nothing much to do today apart from a few important things. This is the most important thing to do. And yeah, a lot of inquiries I'm getting about the Hot Wheels. But it's just a lot of people are inquiring and they're like asking about the pricing and all that. Remember one thing, it can be done however you want, in whichever size you want, any way you want. So if you have a design ready, let me know. I'll make sure what is feasible and I'll do it. Otherwise, you guys tell me what can be done. Otherwise, I myself can design and give it to you. So all these options I've given. Let's see. Hope you guys understand. It's pretty good, the weather, but can never expect it might rain also. Let's see. See guys, I was trying to show you that only, that the car is completely clean. See, there is no stain of sorts or anything. See, if you can see, everything is super duper clean. They've done a great job, but they forgot about the last 2 seats. So they thought it's a dicky and they've forgotten. But yeah, it's okay. Not many sit there, so it is anyways clean itself. It's not that it is spoiled of sorts. So let me just clean this guy till Unnati comes and then let's get going. I'll see you probably on the road. This is your Bannerghatta road. Full. But I thought it will be less actually, but being a Sunday, there's too much traffic. Another building coming there. Simha, yours, sir? So guys, now done with the major work. Time is around 4:20, going for a coffee, which we couldn't go for yesterday, thanks to my tummy issues and the traffic. Heading to third wave now. Where else? Have a coffee and exit home and get set for the drill from tomorrow. Heading to third wave. Guess who's found on the way? Mommy. The friends have split. There are 2 here, 1 is there. Anyways, going to third wave. coming home. She's here, sorry. And I just got a classic cold brew, large. Mom filter coffee, that's it. Can't eat anything. Full till here.
मैं सच में बोल रही हूँ कैसे भी अपने आप को चला रही है मुझे कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है
So guys, done with third wave, heading home. Still full till my head, eaten so much. So unfortunately, there's no space in this thing called as your tummy. Oh, rider. Otherwise,
बच्चे के घर जाएंगे क्या?
हाँ चलो
चलो.
मैं उनको एक
हाँ वहाँ तो मैं सुसु भी जा सकता
Check that out. Temple is open now. Okay, these are some beautifully lit skies. Or is it because I'm looking from the oh no, it is really beautiful. Wow. Should have taken my other phone, but it's okay. Wow, it looks damn nice. See this. See this. See this teddy bear. Fur ball. Swedish. Swedish. They're not sleepy here. This he wants on demand. Belly up, belly up. Belly up, belly up. Gucci mama. Guys, getting a head massage done. Soon. It's like, relaxing. Mother's touch. All in one.
Never ending.
Apparently 2 minutes, it's been half an hour. These are the handles for water filter. Need to send it tomorrow. This is made of GF nylon. There's the bolt here. Insert mold and it will be put into this. Is your regular porta filter. This chrome plate to finish. I don't want to remove it, otherwise it will get scratches. It has to be dispatched tomorrow. You need to put it in the thread and fix it. Done for the day. That's the whole thing. So basic thing is like I said again, GF nylon, brass chrome plated to finish. Put it, fix it, and it's good to go. So you can see the chrome plate finished on this. See, this is the finish you get. So heading out to get something and then chill for the night. So probably I'll be closing the vlog today early. Let's see whether the car is starting properly. So just came and sat here. So hello guys, yes, it's the next day. Yes, you're right. You're seeing me drive. It's already evening. I forgot to close the vlog yesterday. So yeah, like you guys saw it, it was a very lazy, peaceful day to start with some good yum upma, followed by yummiest dal and rice. It was too good. So our house help, she makes it really well. So had that, and then we had to go for another important meeting. I finished that and I came. Successful it was. So I'm like super excited. On the way met mom, like this only we were going, met mom, took her to third wave, went and chilled in third wave, and then you guys saw after that went to my house. I had to pack the porta filters, done, sent also today, so I am sorted the work part. So yeah guys, that's about it, and thanks for your lovely support and continuous views that you guys are giving me. Love you all. My thanks is always with everybody, and whoever hasn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe Madi. Whoever hasn't like Madi, comment Madi, share Madi. Guys, comment no, come on, not fair. So only Jackie is commenting, thank you. So yeah, let's keep it going. Let's give me some more likes guys, let's do it. Alright, so take care. I would wish you guys a beautiful rest of the week ahead. Enjoy Madi, stay blessed, stay happy, stay safe, take care, bye bye. I will see you soon. Bye bye. See ya.